Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix connection problems with your AirPods Pro that appear on the available devices list but pairing is rejected. First, check other devices connected to the AirPods and turn off Bluetooth on those devices. Next, turn off Bluetooth on your current device and close the case. Open the case after a few seconds, then press and hold the back button until the indicator blinks white. Release the button, keep both earbuds in the case, and leave the case open. Tap Pair New Device on your smartphone or laptop. The AirPods should appear and connect successfully. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding the back button until the indicator blinks red, then white. This restores all default settings and the AirPods will enter pairing mode. That's how you fix connection problems with your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.